So for today's coding challenge, we are going to try and use the robot to go pick up one color of each red disc and bring it back to the correct goal. So can you bring one blue disc to the blue goal, one red disc to the red goal, and one green disc to the green goal? I have a sample to show you how to get started and how some of the blocks work. Our first block that I put out on the screen is a drive forward block, and I put in 750 millimeters. It's important to know that each square on the playground is 200 millimeters. So right now, if I play my program, my robot just drives forward to the first disc. Okay. A second block that's going to be really helpful. We have a block called the energize. So this turns on a little magnet on our robot. And if I have it on boost, boost will pick up the disc. And if I change it to drop, drop will turn it off. So it sets the disc down. And then the next block that I have chosen is a turn block. This will allow my robot to turn to the right or turn to the left. I can choose which way I want it to turn. And I can choose how many degrees or the angle that I want my robot to turn. So right now I have it set to 180 so that it will turn all the way around. Notice over here on the playground, it currently tells me the angle my robot is facing. So right now it's facing the angle of 0. So 180 degrees is going to be the opposite direction. So I have 3 other blocks that I added together. Another drive forward after the robot turns around. Then a block to drop the disc. And then a reverse drive. So on the drive, you can go forward or reverse. So let's see what that looks like so far. I have to, reset and then hit play. My robot drives forward, picks up the disc, turns around, and returns the disc back to the blue square in about 8.5 seconds. So can you continue to have your robot move over and pick up a red disc and go back to the square? Then can it pick up a green disc and go back to the square?